In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to GoDaddy Website Builder. Let's start by signing into your GoDaddy account so you land on your main dashboard. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight there. From the top right corner, open your profile menu and choose My Products. This takes you to a page that lists everything tied to your account in one place, which makes it easy to find the site you want to edit. On the My Products page, look for the Websites plus Marketing section. That's the area where GoDaddy's website builder lives. Find the site you want to update and click Manage. This opens the site's dashboard and gives you access to the editor, settings, and publishing tools you'll need. Next, click Edit Website to open the visual editor. You'll see your site preview on the right and editing options on the left. Navigate to the page and the spot where you want the custom code to appear. When you're ready, click Add Section. This is how you insert new content blocks anywhere on the page without disrupting your existing layout. In the section library that appears, use the search bar and type HTML. Select the HTML or custom code option, then click Add. This creates a dedicated section designed to safely hold your code while keeping the rest of your site styled and responsive. A panel will open with a custom code field. Paste your HTML snippet here, or type it directly if you're writing from scratch. Keep your code clean and valid for best results. If your snippet references external resources, make sure they use secure HTTPS links to avoid browser blocking. Some advanced scripts or iframes may be limited for security reasons, so if something doesn't load, check the provider's embed instructions and ensure you've copied the full snippet. With the code in place, you can fine-tune how the section looks, add an optional title, adjust the accent color to match your brand, and set the alignment. There's also a height control measured in pixels. If you're unsure, leave it blank and let the section auto size. That usually prevents content from getting cut off. If you do set a fixed height, preview carefully to make sure everything is visible on both desktop and mobile. Your changes save automatically as you work. To see how the code renders in context, click Preview. Use the device toggle to check mobile and desktop views. When everything looks good, click Publish to push the update live. If the content doesn't appear right away, give it a moment for embeds to load, then refresh the live page. And that's it. Your custom HTML is now part of your GoDaddy site.